If you are looking at buying a home, as a matter of fact, you're looking at refinancing a home, I have an amazing new program that I want to talk about. There is a new down payment assistance program that actually can be used to purchase a home or to refinance a home. And it is absolutely the best down payment assistance program I've seen as far as its flexibility and how it is structured. So this program basically says anybody who is looking to purchase a home and they have at least a 580 credit score, you can get into that house with zero down payment, without paying higher interest rates than market rate, without paying higher fees than market rate, and without having a second mortgage on the home. Now, how does that work? Because it's a forgivable second mortgage. So the way the package works is it's packaged through a solar installation on your home that's financed into the big loan. So you're basically saying, hey, I want to buy a $500,000 home. Okay, you're 3% or 3.5% because it's FHA. So we're talking about $17,500 in down payment money. So you are taking out, let's say they're going to bundle up a $36,000 solar package and you get solar installed. So you have $17,500 of down payment money that is loaned to you as a second mortgage that is forgiven in 90 days. So you never have to pay back that second mortgage. Your first mortgage would have been, what are we talking about here? $482,500 because you take 500,000 times 96.5%, $482,500. But you're adding $36,000 to that to finance in the solar installation package. But part of that package basically pays off your down payment assistance loan. So you're bundling together your solar package and the money for your down payment as part of the first mortgage loan, and you have a second mortgage that is forgiven. So it is an amazing program that basically allows you to get into a home. Now, I've never been a huge fan of solar for the sake of solar. Okay, some people are, and they're saying, hey, solar is going to save the world. I'm not a huge fan of that. I'm not against it. What I'm against is solar financing, because solar financing is a problem. You now have a second loan on the property. The interest rate's significantly higher. The buyer has to qualify for the solar financing when you go to sell your home. And often when you refinance, you have to pay off that solar loan, and it makes it a bigger challenge. Well, with this program, the solar is built into the first mortgage. But you're not doing this for the sake of solar. You're doing it for the sake of a forgivable down payment assistance. The method to get the down payment assistance is the fact that we are installing solar. So you can't do the down payment assistance is forgiven without the solar. But the package deal allows me to qualify you without any extra rules. If you qualify for an FHA loan with at least 3.5% down, I can do this loan for you, and you're getting market interest rates. When you go with normal down payment assistance, Cal Halfa is one of my favorite, but you get two loans in the end. You pay higher than market interest rates sometimes, around market interest rates sometimes, but you're definitely paying higher than market fees to get the down payment assistance loan. None of that applies to this new program. It's an absolutely game changer to allow you, even if you don't have perfect credit, and so many people who came to me about Dream for All and they couldn't qualify for Dream for All because they didn't have the 680 required credit score. This program is a game changer. You need to scan the QR code up top. You need to click on the link up above, schedule time to talk with me, get a hold of my team. We're going to take great care of you. This is one of many options. It might not be the right option for everybody, but my goal is to have as many options as I can. I have all the down payment assistance programs I had before, plus some new ones. And I want to help guide you to make sure that I'm getting you the right program at the right time for the right home for your circumstances. So I really appreciate you joining me. I appreciate you trusting me. I'm looking forward to talking to you again next week. I hope everybody has an absolutely amazing weekend, and we'll talk to you all soon.